AI is no longer a future technology. It's already shaping what we read, watch, buy, and even how we work. But here's the real question. Is AI the biggest opportunity of our generation or the fastest disruption we are not ready for? Two tweets went viral this week. One says something massive is already happening. The other says slow down. Don't let hype decide the future. Same technology, two different complete warnings. So let's break down this AI face-off in this video. The first tweet from Matt Schumer, a founder, investor, and AI builder, essentially says this. AI progress isn't gradual. It's already happening at a pace most people don't realize. What's coming is real and it's big, and we should be talking about it honestly. This isn't just hype. That post is part of a longer piece he's circulating that suggests we are not waiting for some distant future. We are already in a period of rapid AI advancement. A period that could reshape industries, jobs, creativity, and economic structures. So the thrust of this tweet, AI has already hit a new stage, not just incremental improvements, but qualitative leaps in how intelligent systems behave. It's not science fiction any longer. People in the tech world are seeing this every day. Now, this tweet has sparked a wave of reactions because it's basically asking, are we prepared for what's already here? Now, let's take a look at the counterpoint presented by Conor Boyack. This tweet attributed to Conor Boyack pushes back against the idea that AI is some unstoppable force we must treat as all-powerful. I'm not going to argue AI is harmless, the disruption is real. But we shouldn't treat AI as some doomsday force either. We must evaluate risks and rewards thoughtfully. In other words, AI is powerful and disruptive, that's acknowledged. But framing it as some kind of existential takeover may be misleading or unhelpful. Instead, you should pay attention to policy, economics, job impacts, and governance, not just hype. This is a more measured approach, recognizing realities but avoiding fear-mongering or alarmism. Even though they sound different, both tweets agree on three key points. AI is powerful and transformative. Schumer says it's already here. Boyack says it will disrupt. We cannot ignore its impact. Both imply society has to engage seriously with AI's implications. Oversimplification helps no one. Extreme hype or terror are both unhelpful frames. In debates like this, the truth is rarely all the way on one side. AI is real, it's impactful. But how we frame that impact as a revolution, a risk, or a tool shapes the response of the public and leaders alike. And that's why these two tweets, one urging us to see what's really happening, and the other one asking us not to be driven by exaggerated fear, are worth listening to. So what's your take on AI? Let us know in the comments section below.